right there.
As you're there, baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night.
Good morning. Good morning. If I take this bonnet off, you guys will see a whole different person. I'm trying to make an agenda today because I have a lot of stuff to get done. I need to go to Home Depot. I need to stop at the Dollar Tree. I need to water these plants. I need to clean my house. I always like to say hi to Nugget because that is my baby. Hi, Nugget. Mommy misses you every day. Mommy misses you. Yeah, it's still hard. So yeah, I'm gonna take that downstairs. I need to put these in the fridge. And then coffee is done. I always grab a napkin because I always spill. That's just what I do in life, just spill. I'm probably gonna go downstairs and just respond to video comments because I'm trying to give Alf a little bit of time out because Arlo was out all night and I know he antagonized Alf all night. So the problem was I didn't let my coffee get hot enough. I literally grabbed it right when the pot was ready. So let's go ahead and taste this one more time. That's it. It actually feels like Christmas when I wear these pajamas. But like I said, I should have got these are a size small. And I usually get like a smaller, extra small. But in these little guys, I should have got a medium. Let's see. Let's go ahead and respond to some comments. Okay, friends, so it actually took me a little bit longer to respond to you guys' comments because I try to respond. I don't just be like, oh, thank you for stopping by. I try to respond to all questions. So let me just finish up everything and get my entire life together. When it comes to cleaning Arlo's house, I have to move my entire dining room table. This is a part of his house. He has enough pellets, and you guys are gonna see Arlo come through here. He's coming. He's coming. They have to make sure I clean their house properly. Like I'm doing something wrong. Don't bite the camera. Hey, stop biting that camera. Hey, sir. Send help. This is all powder. I put baking soda so when they pee, it does not smell up my house. So for anybody that has a guinea pig, I highly recommend putting baking powder down, because my house doesn't smell like it has 2 guinea pigs living in here. Arlo, your mom is cleaning your house correctly, sir. And now I started putting their houses in the center so it gives them more walkway over here. And then let me go ahead and just drop this little curtain. Because guinea pigs love to hide. They need a good hideout. Red peppers, orange, yellow peppers, celery, cilantro, parsley, spinach, green leaf lettuce, romaine lettuce. Everything this little guy needs and loves. And that is it for his cage. So now I can go ahead and lock him up. Say, hey mom, I'm a happy piggy now. And his house is beautiful. Alf is aware that his house is next. You see he's already waiting. Say, come on, Mom. Aplaya is hungry. So I'm going to let him out. And everything that I did to Arlo's house, I'm doing to Alf's. It is 1:07. I had to literally just sit down and focus, get my house together. I had to steam clean my floors because these kids. So I put more doggy pads down just to be on the safe side. I did switch over to an energy drink. Christmas is right around the corner, so woohoo! Oh, how cute is this? So this is my microphone for my phone. And then I have an iPhone 7, so you just plug this in and hello, how are you? This is so cute. Okay, perfect. And then you can move it around. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it in its little packaging. Go ahead and close this right up. Oh, how cute is this? My husband finds the coolest stuff for me. I'm sorry, I just saw this. Look at Alf's legs. That's his back leg. Look at the other one. Like, this guy is chilling. My husband and I go to this amazing pizza spot called Pudge Brothers. I love it so much. The only thing is I love my own ranch. Like, I have to make my own ranch, and I try to copy Wingstop's ranch because Wingstop does have the best ranch. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my ranch to copycat Wingstop's. So you're gonna first take your Hidden Valley Ranch. I don't get the spicy kind. This is the one I get. So I drop that in here. Now I had a lot of seasonings because if you guys looked at the back of this, it says directions, just add sour cream. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I am gonna take a little bit of vinegar. I don't know, it gives it that little tang. I love vinegar, so I'm taking 1 tablespoon, dropping that in there. And I don't really measure it anymore, unfortunately, because I know what I like. I'm taking some sour cream. I have my Heinz mayonnaise. Now I don't have any freshly squeezed lemon, so I am gonna take just some lemon juice. Onion powder. Pink sea salt, garlic powder. I'm going to use a little bit of minced garlic. Adding my parsley, dried chives, and then what's really gonna make the taste really stand out is the dill weed. And then I have my buttermilk. So let me show you what everything looks like. So now we're going to mix everything together. Oh, I can already smell it. Right there. So I'm trying to find a new handle for my camera. I don't know, because the other one I have, you have to hold it. Oh, look, they got lights. So I am back running all my errands. I told you guys earlier today I had to go to Microcenter, Target, and then I went to Pudge Brothers, and you guys, that pizza was so amazing. And you know I made that ranch. That ranch was fire. Tomorrow I need to get all of Alf and Arlo's food in the Tupperware that I got from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I'll be working on that tomorrow. You guys have a great evening, and you guys will see me in the next vlog.
Baby, we can do this all